Hi, my name is DJ Bushelli with East Coast Truck and Trailer Sales. Today we're going to be talking about this brand new late build 2018 Dodge 4500 Wrecker. Before we talk about the equipment on this truck, let's talk about the light package installed. On the bumper we have a 42-inch LED work light, and on the splitter we have mounted bullet lights. The bullet lights are installed on the rocker panel and at the bottom of the Wrecker body. She's equipped with a flip-down light bar, additional work lights mounted underneath the pylon, and work lights mounted at the back of the body. 4,000-pound underlift with a sling, twin line 8-ton boom, and on deck we have 5.7 in-the-ditch dollies. In the driver's side toolbox we have a pair of work gloves, high-vis vest, 22-inch wireless tow-mate light, safety triangles, two 4.5-inch 4-ton snatch blocks, spade foot, ball attachment, and recovery sheet. On the passenger side we have ratchets and straps for both the dollies and the underlift, chain and large J's for the sling application, flat tire sleeves for the underlift, and 4 skates. And behind the seat inside the cab we have a lockout kit. As you can see, this truck is fully loaded. If you're interested, please give us a call, or if you're looking for something else, please visit our website at ectts.com.